Good morning, everybody. This is Mary. I wanted to come on here this Sunday afternoon to do a video to tell you about a program that I'm involved with called Successful Solution Method. It is a task-based business where you complete simple tasks and you can get paid for doing those tasks. It takes only about 1 hour a day, depending on how long you want to do this. Scrolling through Facebook, making a post, sharing this opportunity with other people, and within doing that, you can generate an income just by doing the simple tasks. This here I want to show you is our Facebook group. Amanda Ray created the program. It has generated over $80,000 to its members currently, and it's been only operational for about a couple months now. So within this back office of the Facebook group, under the announcements here, it tells you a little bit about the company, what the goals are, why she created this opportunity, and how you can join and what you need to do to complete the steps to get started with this program. Under the photos over here, it's going to show you different income proof of the people that have generated a nice little payout by sharing this opportunity with other people. When you join and somebody joins underneath you, you get these cute little banners, and within the first month, I've created over $1,500 myself. And, you know, for people that have never made a dime online, this is simply the easiest program to generate an income, and it is working fabulous. There's all kinds of new members coming in daily. The growth is getting really outstanding. And people just simply enjoy this. You're going to be on Facebook anyway, so why not just scroll, make your post, share this opportunity, get paid, and you'll find out for yourself how simple this program is. We have currently we currently have 1,275 new members in less than 2 months, and as I said, people just keep coming in and they see the opportunity, they take advantage of this new program. If you've never made a dime, this is the program to get involved with, because the strategies and the way the plan is laid out, people will generate an income, and it's mind-blowing how easy it is. The units to complete: when you join, you start with the announcements, your order traffic, you get a one-on-one meeting, you have your web banners, commission earned banners, your traffic is low, digital postcards, new payment banners, featured banners. There's all kinds of information in here, and it truly is an amazing program. So I'm going to take you over here to my back office, just show you some income proof myself. This here is what I have earned, minus a couple payments that were paid out through a different payment processor, but $1,550 in less than 2 months. Here is my income payment proof. July 25th, 2020, $50. July 17th, $400. July 11th, $600. June 19th, $500. And just wanted to show you that, to show that it is actually paying. It does work. You just complete tasks, and you can earn this nice little income. You're looking to looking for a way to make some money, this is totally the awesome way to do it. Over here is my website. Discover the untapped strategies that pays me up to $3,000 per month with as little as 60 minutes per day. Even if you've never had made a dime online, you're going to with this program. It is beginner friendly. There's no experience needed. Start with 10 minutes, step-by-step video, proven results, 100% flexibility schedule, simple 3-system setup. This just gives you some details about what you see in my back office, my website. This is really work. Do people make money? Here are all kinds of deposits that have been made. There's some income proof. The biggest challenge people are facing in generating an online income is getting results without wasting time. There's some information there. Here is the program itself, introducing successful solution method. Again, simple step-by-step instructions. So what is exactly is the program? This tells you a little bit how it was created and how she came up with the idea. Main thing, you know, with an online business, the hardest thing is to get traffic to your website, get eyeballs on your website. With this program, it does that for you. People come to you. You don't be chasing people down. They're going to want to know what you're doing to create this income. Time schedule, complete the task. Sounds simple, right? Because it is. You make a daily post. Program shows you how to get your engagement up on Facebook. So if you're needing help with that, you can do that. Here are some testimonials. These are the levels that you can join at. We have the bronze level for $125 with a $25 admin fee. Silver level. Also, this is what you get when you join this level. Silver level is $325. Includes everything that's from the bronze level. Our gold level is $500. Our platinum level, the one-time $1,000 payment. This is what you receive when you join that level. And then of course our diamond level, which is $2,000. And this includes some special bonuses when you come in on this level. And of course you get everything at the lower levels as well when you come in. So yes, this is the different levels that we have. Our testimonial is for completing tasks. You can get paid. Income proof. It's so simple. Short little video here of people with their testimonials or earning an income. So yeah, the Facebook group again. Successful solution method. If you're interested in learning how to generate an income by posting on Facebook, getting your engagement up, learning some new skills, attending webinars. Yes, we have awesome webinars every Wednesday. I will link that down below in the video. And also, we have awesome training I can't say enough about it. It has shown people what they do wrong, how they can correct it, how they can get better engagement, how they can better themselves. The training is just phenomenal. So anyway, just check this out. My website is blessingeveryday.com. I'll be happy to show you how I'm doing this, how you can create an income. And see, here's another payment that was just made. Got all kinds of testimonials, people. It's something that, you know, an hour a day can create an income that can replace your job. And it's simple. Just place a post on your Facebook page and this is my Facebook page. And I'll go through this real quick with you. Making a post. You can see the engagement there. Some engagement there. Some good engagement going there. It teaches you how to do this, and it's just simply amazing what you learn with this program. The live video I did. Some more posts. The best post that I made with lots of engagement. I was just really shocked. It was just a simple little post, but it was the truth. And I'll just scroll down here so that you can see that real quick. Right here it is. Most people will panic to find a charger before their phone dies, but won't panic to find a plan before their dream dies. My engagement, 773 likes, 623 comments, and 47 shares. So if you're looking to help get your engagement up, this is the program. Create an income, share this, and you're just going to simply be amazed with how easy it is. So anyway, that is the program. That's what I wanted to share with you. Yeah, there's some more of my income proof right there. Just so you know that I am getting paid. I am very transparent and an open book, and wanted to share everything that I know with you so that you can create this income too. So yes, Successful Solution Method is the program. I'll link the link down below in the video. Also, our Facebook group, I'll link that down there. And if you can, I'd appreciate it if you'd like, comment, and share on my video. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification. And I'll be looking forward to helping you get started in this awesome program. So have a great day, everybody. Take care.